Hello guys, welcome back to another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make a free intro using your maybe mobile. So let's get started. So first you have to click on the search bar, which is always available for any Play Store. Then you have to click on this and search intro maker. Then this first intro maker, wait, let me mark it and show you. This thing which you're seeing by Reason Rise, you have to tap on that one and install it. Let me pause the installation for you because I do not want to waste any of your lots of precious time. Like this intro maker, there are many apps like logo maker, etc. So as you can see, this is installed. The intro maker is installed. You have to tap on open. Once it opens, you will see that it'll open with a logo like this with the tagline called "Make Awesome Intros." Then you have to click on allow. Now you can see these are all wonderful intro templates. For example, let me show you one intro template like this one. So I'm downloading this template and I'm showing it to you. Okay. So look, this is how cool all the templates are in this. And the best thing about this is that you don't need any computer, you don't need anything. And for example, it's very easy to edit too. So for example, I'll make an intro for my technical advisor. Wait, let me show you which template should I choose. Okay, I'm choosing. So if you want to get access to all this, wait, if you want to get access to all these VIP templates, which is shows VIP over here, then you have to pay. So then let's take anything. So all the good templates which I'm trying for is VIP. So I'll just take a random template like this one. So I'll download it, and look, this is the template. So now wait, I didn't on the volume, so let me just on it. Oh, it's on. Okay, so you have to click on, you do not want the intro maker watermark on your site, right? On your intro, right? So you have to click on this cross and it will. Then so what you want to do is you have to edit it. You can add text. So for example, I'm using text as technical, sorry for the wrong spelling, advisor. Wait, so now you can choose the design of your text. I'm choosing it as this, and then now you can choose the size. So this is how you can edit it. Then you can go to design and then use these three. And animation is also there. For example, it will come like this. Okay, and you have to click on done. Then you have to extend this text to the whole video. Then only your text will prevail for the whole video. So now let me play the intro and show you. See, this is how proper wonderful intro looks in any YouTube video which you see. So thank you. I hope you like this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye. So and goodbye. And you have to look, it will show exporting video over here, which means it's downloading the video. It won't take a lot of time because it's not very less space, not very much space. So let me show you the downloaded video. It will show an ad. You have to click on the cross, then you can play it. And later it'll also make a video on how to connect this intro to YouTube. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and make sure to press the bell icon if you want to latest notifications of all the updates and regular videos which I keep making for all you guys, so that you it helps you in your technical knowledge and helps you to make better tasks. And that's all for today, guys. Goodbye.